Do you know which countries have the highest crime rates? According to a global database, in early 2022, the top 3 were Venezuela, Papua New Guinea, and Afghanistan. But in many other countries, there are also similar problems. So this non-lethal self-defense weapon can become very popular, as it combines simplicity, affordability, and effectiveness. It allows firing pepper spray pellets. The magazine holds 6 of them. Standard 0.3 or 0.4 ounce CO2 cartridges are used, and the firing range is 45 to 60 feet. The price is about $100. Another concealed carry option. This is a knife integrated into a belt buckle. The author notes that the handle is comfortable, and there are folding and monolithic models. The locking system keeps the knife firmly in place, but it can be pulled out with a single movement. Plus, thanks to its very attractive design, you'll be able to wear this belt to a party or any formal event. Unfortunately, the author's website is not available, so the price remains a mystery. How much would you be willing to pay? How effective do you think light is in self-defense? Let's do a little experiment. If you're not ready or are sensitive to light, close your eyes or fast forward the video. 3, 2, 1, go! The authors of this gadget, called the Dazzeler, offer a much more powerful option. They promise that the effect is comparable to temporary blindness, and the flashes cause disorientation and stress. The gadget weighs 3 ounces, fits perfectly in the hand, and is not considered a weapon. It also looks like a flashlight, which adds an element of surprise. It has a full battery that allows for 3 hours of continuous use and emits 15 flashes per second. The only problem is that the contraption is nearly useless in the daytime and only works in confined spaces such as subway cars. Things didn't go well on Kickstarter either. Each model cost $50, and the creators only raised $525 of the projected $22,000. What is so unusual about this knife? Just like in a video game, it has a special feature, an electric attack, and it is, in fact, a stun gun. Only the manufacturer has chosen a very unusual design. All you have to do is touch your opponent with any part of the blade, and they will be immobilized. In addition, the stun gun emits a distinctive sound that can scare off the intruder and prevent a fight from breaking out. The design also includes a space for a pair of diodes, so you can use it as a flashlight. A charging cable and holster are included, and the price for the set is $90. This is an advanced pepper spray that costs $150. The specs are impressive: a range of up to 23 feet, effectiveness regardless of weather conditions, and 4 cartridges can be loaded at a time. Each cartridge contains a special compound that effectively stops attackers without causing irreparable damage to their health. The main materials are metal and plastic, and some of the versions of the weapon have been supplemented with a built-in laser sight. A great product for self-defense, assures the seller. However, the weapon weighs 12 ounces, and its dimensions are imposing. It's 7.23 inches long. Therefore, to attack by surprise, you'll have to be creative. Here are some tactical gloves, an excellent choice for motorcyclists, fitness enthusiasts, cyclists, and those who want to defend themselves more effectively. For $12, the seller offers alloy steel inserts, anti-slip silicone coating on the palms, breathable fabric, and Velcro at the wrist for easy adjustment. Plus, in theory, your arms will tire less when riding a motorcycle or bike. In addition, there are classic and fingerless gloves. The former allows you to use your smartphone without removing your gloves. The index finger is complemented by a special insert. The Glock 19 pistol was first introduced in 1988 and is still in production. This weapon is very popular among law enforcement officers, and it's surprising to see that, thanks to modern technology, almost anyone can build their own version of the pistol with the help of a 3D printer. In addition, This method also makes it possible to modify the weapons. This video shows a project called Banana Standard. It includes separately printed elements such as frames, as well as guns, assembled almost entirely from printed parts. The author notes that the white version has withstood more than 200 shots, and the yellow one more than 100. However, some of the tests are downright dangerous, so the author advises viewers to be careful and prefers not to share the files for printing. Next up, here is a miniature copy of the Glock 17. Similar souvenirs can be found almost everywhere. The functionality of these small guns depends on price and craftsmanship. Many versions have detachable magazines and bolts. They usually can't be fired, but some YouTube enthusiasts are confident that this can be remedied. Very inexpensive models are available. Prices start at $8.50. This version is 3.2 inches long and has 10 pieces. Not a bad gift for gun enthusiasts. The following is a modified version of a military identification tag. Normally, these dog tags carry an identification number and other data, but nowadays this option is also available. For $85, customers can buy a key-size tag with a 1-inch long removable blade inside. The product weighs less than 2 ounces, making it the lightest steel tactical knife in the world, according to the creators. In addition, the model comes with a lifetime warranty. If something breaks, you can return your purchase and get a free replacement. Considering that the company raised over $82,000 on Kickstarter, there are sure to be plenty of people eager to buy it. But why settle for something small when you can find something more interesting? Check out this folding axe, handmade by a craftsman from Australia. Regular viewers of our channel probably remember another of his works, an original hidden knife, reminiscent of the weapon from Assassin's Creed. He made this axe for one of his followers. The axe features a handy folding mechanism that's easily activated with one hand. The scabbard is included and features a belt clip system. The model, like the previous version, is made of plastic, but people in the comments are sure that a metal version would be more popular and would interest the military, firefighters, first responders, and police. Would you buy one? According to the seller, this is a tactical pen for everyday carry. The compact housing combines a glass breaker, a flashlight, a knife, and obviously a pen. This small multi-tool weighs only 1.6 ounces, less than an ice cream cone. Plus, the model uses a surgical blade number 11, easy to buy and replace, withstands a 5-foot drop, and has an IP68 rating, which means that it can withstand up to an hour at a depth of 6.7 feet underwater. The rechargeable battery lasts 15 hours, and different flashlight modes will allow you to be seen better on the road or quickly find an object you lost in the bushes. The price for this product is a modest $30. These knives are called karambits and are easily recognizable by their shape, which allows for a reverse grip. Karambits are believed to have originated in West Sumatra, and a theory suggests that they're inspired by the claws and fangs of tigers. The model you see on the screen is interesting for several reasons. First, it was designed by Joe Caswell, an extremely versatile and innovative man among knife designers. And secondly, the unique kinematic technology makes the knife safe and comfortable to carry, while allowing you to quickly deploy the blade with your thumb. This karambit weighs about 6 ounces and has a blade length of 2.4 inches. The knife costs $200, but comes with a lifetime warranty. Do you think that getting rid of handcuffs is a trick that only professionals can do? Today, it's a bit simpler. You only have to pay $30 and get a tool like this one, which will come in handy in a variety of situations. The tool is very simple. It's a diamond saw in a plastic case. From plastic zip ties to steel shackles, it can cut through just about anything. The model weighs about 0.14 ounces, measures 3 inches, and can be easily concealed under clothing or in shoes. It's a potentially life-saving tool for undercover operatives, prepared civilians traveling in hostile regions, or anyone whose survival may depend on quickly escaping unlawful custody, claims the manufacturer. The mini knives in this series are great for backpackers. Some websites even place them in the camping and hiking category. Their main features are versatility and compactness. The knives come with paracord and gadgets such as a compass, a whistle, a glass breaker, and a watch. The paracord is about 11.5 feet long, making it handy for a variety of tasks, from replacing a broken shoelace to using it as a guy rope for the tent. And the knife and sheath can be carried separately as a keychain. These models are available in a number of colors and range in price from $7 to $11.